Dear chemistry aspirants, right now I have the book of NCERT plus 2 level, and the topic is states of matter, and subtopic will be 5.5.2 Charles law, temperature volume relationship will be discussed by me. Right now you will see the volume versus temperature degree Celsius graph. Each line of volume versus temperature graph is called isobar. You will see here with the graphical representation. And now I would like to discuss regarding the Charles law, temperature volume relationship of states of matter. When you study in plus 2 level, then this subtopic will definitely come. It will provide you the understanding that what says the subject matter, and Charles and Gay-Lussac performed. The two scientists have performed several experiments on gases independently to improve upon hot air balloon technology. So technology that has been taken by the scientists are very important. And now here you will see the technology was the hot air balloon technology. The investigation showed that for a fixed mass of a gas at constant pressure, volume of a gas increases on increasing temperature. Increases when temperature increase, decreases on cooling. So you will see increases on increasing temperature, decreases on cooling. Scientists have found that for each degree rise in temperature, volume of a gas increases by 1 by 273.15 of the original volume of the gas at the 0 degree Celsius. The volumes of the gas at 0 degree Celsius and T degree Celsius are V0 and Vt. 0 means V0 0 degree Celsius and T degree Celsius Vt volume respectively. Then Vt is equal to V0 plus 1T by 273.15 into V0. This equation will provide you the relationship between the Charles law temperature volume relationship given by the Charles and Gay-Lussac. Implications here, and V2 is equal to V0 plus 1 plus T by 273.15. And you will see here the Vt is equal to V0 273.15 plus T by 273.15. When you solve the equation at this stage, we define a new scale of temperature such as the T degree Celsius on a new scale is given by T is equal to 273.15 plus T is equal, and 0 degree Celsius will be given by the T0 is equal to 273.15. When you see and when you solve this equation, this new temperature scale is called the Kelvin temperature scale or absolute temperature scale. So Kelvin temperature scale and absolute temperature scale is the same. The 0 degree Celsius scale is equal to 273.15 K at the absolute scale. Note that degree sign is not used while writing the temperature in absolute temperature scale, i.e. Kelvin scale. Kelvin scale of temperature is also called the thermodynamic scale of the temperature and is used in all scientific works. This scale is also known as the thermodynamic scale and used in various scientific works. Thus we add 273 more precisely 273.15 to the Celsius temperature to obtain temperature at Kelvin scale. If we write Tt is equal to 273.15 plus T and T0 273.15 in the equation 5.6, we obtain the relationship between Vt is equal to V0 whole Tt by T0, and this implement this Vt by V0 is equal to Tt by T0. Thus we can write a general equation as follows: V2 by V1 is equal to T2 by T1. That implications is here and that's imply V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2, and V2 by T is equal to constant K2. V is equal to K2T. The value of constant K2 is determined by the graphic, determined by the pressure of the gas is its amount and the units in which volume V is expressed. Equation 5.10 is a mathematical expression for Charles' law, which states the pressure remaining constant, the volume of a fixed mass of a gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. This is known as the Charles' law. Charles' law, when we study the gase's behavior, then Charles' law will be needed. Charles found that all gases at any given pressure, graph of volume as temperature in Celsius is a straight line, and on extending to zero volume, each line intercepts the temperature axis as minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. Slopes of lines obtained at different pressure are different, but at zero volume all the lines meet the temperature axis as minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. 5.6 will provide you the information. Each line of the volume versus temperature graph is called the isobar. Observations of Charles can be interpreted if we put the value of T in equation 5.6 as to minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. We can see that the volume of the gas is minus 273.15 degrees Celsius will be 0. This means that gas will not exist. In fact, all the gases get liquefied before this temperature is reached. The lowest hypothetical or imaginary temperature at which gases are supposed to occupy zero volume is called the absolute zero. All gases obey Charles' law at very low pressure and high temperature. Kindly memorize this. All gases obey Charles' law at very low pressure and high temperature. Problem is here, and you will see the solution is also here. You should try and you should write again and again, and you will understand. So we will meet in the next segment. Gay-Lussac's law, pressure volume pressure temperature relationship will be discussed. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you for viewing the video. We will meet with the next video with a lot more discussion regarding the chemistry, i.e. states of matter. Till then, thank you.